the other store reports, this end of period, this is a very important part of the application. Most people run a business and they have a staff, and at the end of the day, they want to do accounts. So doing accounts, this makes it very easy. So what you do is, if you don't have any bank account already attached to the application, we can quickly add a bank account here. You can see add bank account. It takes you to the finance section. You can see connect bank, manual. Let's use manual. So manual. So let's pick OPay. So let me give it one, just account number. Type of account is a savings account. Last 4 digits, let me get any 4 digits. Current balance of that account, let's say is 200,000 naira. This one. So let me add another account. So in case you have multiple accounts you want to add. So let's say we have money point. So money point, account name, Temitope savings, last 4 digits, current balance 10,000. So adding transactions, this one is an optional field. Let's just save manual account. So we have two accounts. We have one, we have the second one. So let's go into the end of period back, and when we come to that store reports, you see end of period. This is to make closing accounts very easy. So let's say at the end of every day you always do a report with your staff. Now let's say the initial opening balance. Now for a when you just start, you're showing that, okay, what balance did we start this day with before. So if for the next day you will not need to add an initial opening balance, but let's say this day we have started, what amount did we start it with? Let's say we started with in our total, that's cash and all the banks. Let's say we started it with 50,000 naira. Then closing cash, how much in cash are we closing with? Let's say we are closing with 100,000 naira cash. 100,000 naira cash. So in the OP, let's say we have now 50,000, or I typed 500,000. Add next back line. In the money points, let's say we have 100,000. Now watch what will happen here. So with this, I can say save end of period. Now when it saves this, you can see it shows a warning. It says the closing is this, but the variance is more. So it will throw a warning. And if you check your notifications, you can see it says end of day balance higher than expected. So you can click the notifications, you can see end of day balance is higher than what expected. Now you can go back and edit and look at what's the challenge. Why are we having a bigger balance than what expected? So it's saying it's higher by this amount. So that is how the calculation goes. It helps you to know, okay, today we are saying the higher. To Now if I go the next day and I want to add, you can see now it's not asking for initial. So